EULIS mission is to put together the knowledge of our 10 universities to educate next generation of students. Students that will be able to address successfully the challenges of our society, including global, social, and climate change.
The idea came from to promote the networking between social sciences, humanities, and engineering, to force together all our powers to come up to another level. And our aim is to strengthen the European idea and to bring out new Europeans.
EULIS, European University, our present, your future.